Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about a product that's been popping up a lot in ads lately, and that is the Fly Cleanse Cleaner. Many people are asking whether this cleaner is legit or if it's just another overhyped product, so let's go through it calmly and honestly. Fly Cleanse is marketed as a multi-purpose kitchen and household cleaning spray. According to its ads, it's designed to remove grease, oil, and everyday dirt just by spraying and wiping, without even using water. The brand also claims it uses a natural enzyme-based formula that's gentle and safe for appliances, food contact areas, and different household surfaces. On the surface, it sounds very convenient, especially for kitchens. But this is where some concerns start to show up. One of the biggest claims is that no water is needed, even for heavy kitchen grease on stoves, ovens, range hoods, and refrigerators. In real-world cleaning, breaking down grease usually leaves residue behind, and that residue normally needs to be rinsed away. Simply wiping it off without water can leave cleaner residue on food contact surfaces, which is not ideal and can even be unsafe. Another red flag is the way the product is marketed as natural, plant-based, and enzyme-powered. These words sound good, but when you look closer, there are no specific enzymes named, no plant sources disclosed, and no clear ingredient breakdown. In some listings, the ingredients are vaguely described or not explained at all. This kind of vague labeling is often used to make products sound safer or more effective than they really are, without providing real transparency. There's also the issue of where this product actually comes from. When you look beyond the ads, the same cleaner appears on Chinese wholesale websites for less than $1. On those listings, the packaging even includes Chinese text. However, on official-looking Amazon listings, that text appears edited or removed to make it seem like the product is not sourced from China. This strongly suggests it's a drop-shipped item being resold at a much higher price with new branding. Now let's talk about user reviews, because this is very important. Yes, Fly Cleanse is listed on Amazon, but being on Amazon does not automatically mean a product is reliable. Amazon allows third-party sellers, and they don't verify what's actually inside the bottle. When you look at the reviews, there are only a handful, and almost all of them are negative. Many buyers say the cleaner barely works and feels like plain water. Several reviews mention that it fails to remove grease and performs worse than regular dishwashing liquid. Some users even report broken bottles and spray nozzles that don't work properly right out of the box. Overall, customers are clearly disappointed and warn others not to waste their money. So, what's the final takeaway? Fly Cleanse is not something I can confidently recommend, based on its unrealistic claims, vague ingredient marketing, dropshipping signs, and poor customer feedback. I'm not saying it's 100% fake, but there are definitely enough concerns to make you think twice before buying. Please be careful and don't fall for flashy ads that promise effortless cleaning.